Air Jordan MVP 92 brings together iconic Jordan heritage with a modern twist, showcasing a bold mix of white, black, and gym red that instantly elevates your street style. This pair blends mesh, leather, and synthetic layers to create a striking multi-textured look, giving the shoe a dynamic and dimensional presence from every angle. Sharp black outlines flow across the white upper, while gym red accents highlight key zones, especially around the midsole and outsole. A white Nike Air heel logo and a red Jumpman hit on the side pull the entire design together with unmistakable Jordan DNA. Fine mesh for breathability, supportive inner materials, and carefully sculpted panels reflect the shoe's MVP concept, uniting classic elements from Jordan's legendary career. With shifting shadows, crisp contours, and premium detailing, the Air Jordan MVP 92 delivers a visually rich design that stands out effortlessly, making it perfect for sneaker fans seeking style, comfort, and history in one silhouette.